Hi everyone. So today we have Mr. Suraj Pannan with us, and he is the Vice President of OpenSystem.NET team. And Suraj sir have been with us from last 10 years in Consulto. So it would be very great to hear the journey from you, Suraj sir. So please let us know about your journey in Consulto.
Thank you, Komal. I joined Consulto in 2011 Jan. In fact, I knew the people who started this company since my banking days. And somewhere it came to that they asked me, and I also wanted to join somewhere where I can use my abilities to my liking. So then I joined Consulto in 2011. It should have been some time back, but it happened that way. Then it's a fantastic journey. But of course, I admit that there were ups and downs. There were some desperate periods where the product you made was not going to the market, for not my product alone, other products. So, and we make a lot of efforts, but it was part of the journey. But when I look back, it was a fantastic journey. What I can say is, even though I have a long period in the bank and after that in another firm, but this was really different in the sense I've seen a company going from scratch to this level now. Because at that time when I was joining, there were only 19 people in the firm. And we were in a very small area, working from a very small area. And now where we are now. So that's been a fantastic journey. And I've worked with the directors directly with them, not only in the area where I had experience, other areas also. I was falling back on my knowledge from the banking knowledge, and all the other aspects were made use of. So there were no formal setup in the company at that time because it was just like a startup and we had to work on all the areas. So that way it was a lot of experience, though I had, which I mentioned earlier, had a lot of experience before, but this was a different experience and it was really fulfilling in the true sense. And another satisfying thing is to conceive something and to develop it, and it is useful to the industry. So it's going to many banks, it's being used by many banks, and that gives a lot of satisfaction, and it is growing well. So that is another area. And another thing is, which I want to mention is, when we were only 19-20 people, it was a very close-knit family. But my fear was when we grew up, that close feeling will be lost. But even now, that is being maintained, and that's a great thing, what I have to mention here. One thing which I see is the interaction when we have some sort of get-together or a cricket match. These all bring our people together. That's a great thing. Usually what happens is people get into silos, like one department, the other division. So that way it happens in the bank as well as in other firms as well. Even in IT companies, it happens that way. Because one product, people handling one product will not be able to, or they don't know each other. So that happens. But here, most of the people are known to each other in different departments. And that camaraderie is commendable. So that is one of the biggest things. And there is a sense of belonging always for the people who work. And that takes the company to greater heights. So this is what I have to say.
Yeah.
And it's been a fantastic journey for me as well as other people as well, for the company.
Yeah, so as I personally know, Suraj sir is a very good advisor. He advises everyone. So I would like you to advise something to our consultants and even their family, which would be very helpful in this situation. Like, people are sitting home working and working and working, but weekends, other than working hours, you can advise something that they can do productive to keep themselves energetic, refreshing, because they can't go outside. Like earlier they used to visit their friends, families. Now they have to sit home because of this lockdown and everything. So I would like you to advise something which would be helpful for our consultants and their families as well.
One thing is I don't like to advise. What I see is I like to look at this as a suggestion which I have benefited. I went back to a lot of books which I read for a long time back, and then I found new perspective out of that. And another thing is I tried reading a lot of books which give you personal motivation and personal growth, not fiction. Fiction also is good that way because that gives another distraction for you. Like it gives you a sort of perspective for the life if you do it with classics. And the other things are motivational books give you a lot of direction in life. Even at a later stage, like me, a person like me, I can get motivated by a good motivation. So I found that to be truly inspiring. There are a lot of books which will motivate you to do better things, like better relationship, better family relationship, and productivity of your own, those things. And another thing I found is if you are tending to plants or trying to build a hobby or which already you have forgotten, you have lost, you can revive that, because those things give a beautiful distraction as well as something creative you can make, and the stress can be taken away. This is what I feel.
Yeah, that would be better.
Plants are the best thing you can. Plants at home are the best things you can do. One is given Bombay is a highly polluted place, it can reduce the pollution levels. Other one is the joy you get seeing your own plant growing up.
True.
That is one thing.
Yeah, that would be very helpful to everyone. So that's it. Thank you, Suraj sir, for your time and letting us know how your journey it was all in Concerto from last 10 years. So thank you, Suraj sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kamal. Thank you so much.